Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome to today's video, and I'm on the GoPro here because I have some really exciting news. The 350Z is officially out of winter storage, and I couldn't be more stoked about it. Now, ironically, it snowed yesterday when I picked it up, and I know it's sunny and bright right now, but the temperature is about 28 degrees, so it's really, really cold. But what's awesome is I did drive this around quite a bit yesterday. I did do some spirited driving, and she feels really, really good. We are going to be jumping into the 2022 season strong and fast. What I mean by that is that we are going to be taking it to its very first autocross event of the year, one of many this weekend. That's right, this weekend. All right, clean it off, check it really quick. It's the first time I've checked it this year. And we have plenty. It's nice and clean too. I keep forgetting that we did like so many basically oil changes on this car last season. She is dirty, but I can't wait to get it all cleaned up and work out some kinks. We're gonna go over to see my buddy Derek over at TDO Performance right now, and he is going to address a little something we have going on with the oil reservoir. So let's go over there. One thing I've always loved about this car, it's so reliable, it always fires up. I wonder if this angle would work. Oh, we might have a winner here. All right, let's take off. Let's see how this works. All right, let's go. We're here at TDO Performance with Derek, and we have a little bit of something to work on the Z, which is the little tank that he made. It's holding up really well, but what we did at the end of last year is we threaded this hole here for a breather for this little guy, and it's no longer threaded. This was not Derek's doing, but he's gonna fix it because he's awesome. Yeah. How are we gonna fix it, dude?
We're gonna make a bomb.
I like that.
Yeah, we have the technology now.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, you got a lot of good equipment over there. What, the last like 8 months? Like, yeah, you've grown a lot. So TDO Performance is where you want to be if you need anything custom made for your car. Any turbos, manifolds, especially if you're in the Miata game. He makes awesome custom manifolds. He's got a whole system laid out. He cuts them, he welds them, he ships them out. Hit him up on Instagram and check out his work.
I have this 8th NPT bomb. Yeah. But this is huge.
Like, yeah, that's massive. That'd be like half the tank.
This was already pretty close, and then you add the height of that on plus.
That's huge.
It's gonna be a lot.
Yeah.
So, because we have a nice little setup.
He's literally gonna make it for us right in front of our own eyes. And he has put a lot of lights in here, all this machinery. Last time we were in here, I don't think any of this was here, right?
The Bridgeport was over in that corner.
Okay, gotcha.
But I moved some stuff around, you know?
Yeah, he actually moved this himself, so don't let his size fool you. This guy's strong. But
they're actually easy.
Are they?
Yeah, you get it up on rollers and you move it Egyptian style.
Oh, you know? Perfect, yeah.
Like 4 or 5 rollers, and you just like push, move, push.
That's how we literally moved my my father-in-law's shed this past year with 2 metal pipes and like 2 2x4s. It was crazy. Yeah. The thing was like 10,000 pounds, easy.
Yeah, you wonder how they built the pyramids, and then you go to
all
like
leverage.
This, and you're like, it's not that hard.
So you just kind of work it back and forth like that, just to make sure it's all evenly spinning. And
so what the tap's doing is it's cutting like a chip, you know. But because it's not a drill, so with a drill your chips go back out the hole.
Yeah.
This doesn't do that, so the chips just build up in the little gullies.
Yep.
And they'll clog the actual cutting action up. So when you back up, you're actually breaking the chip off.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes you have to go, if you're tapping like a real big deep hole, you have to go like back all the way. Here, I'll back it all the way out and show you.
Okay.
You see how there's like crap?
Yeah, I see all the junk. Yeah, there's a bunch of gunk in the gullies there.
Yep.
Huh.
So
makes sense.
Because we want this as short as possible, we're gonna go super deep.
Oh, is it spinning?
Yeah, we need to lock
it down a little bit more.
And try to be gentle because it's just aluminum, but
right.
Tapping does create a lot of force.
Yeah.
And especially these pipe taps, because pipe taps are actually tapered.
Oh, they're like a little smaller at the front?
Yeah. That's what actually creates the seal.
Oh,
if you see NPT,
that makes sense.
That's why you're not supposed to reef on NPTs and crank them all the way in, because
it's designed to kind of set as is.
Once it seats in firmly, like a quarter to a half turn, and it should be good. I mean, obviously leak check it if it's real critical. Don't do that. Towards the end of these, you're putting a lot of tool pressure on stuff.
Yeah.
Especially when it's this small. Spin the tap again.
Yeah. All right, so we got the part all made up, so we're gonna test thread it. Let's see if it works out.
It was
look at that.
Pretty deep, so with some Teflon tape, it should line up nicely.
That's looking really good.
So you're only gonna be like an 1/8 inch taller than
what it was before.
Yeah,
pretty much.
What I'm gonna do, because I'm smart, is see where it stops.
Yep. You're gonna mark
the forward position, so that way when you thread it in, it's not pointing off over to the left.
Oh, smart man.
See, I fucked up enough things to know.
Smart like tractor. That's awesome. And so the idea is we're gonna drill this out a little bit bigger, and then he's gonna plop that right into here and then weld it on. And it should come out pretty mint.
I gotta be careful because I wanna know. One more.
Perfect. All right, Dr. Teflon over here. I asked him earlier if he had Teflon, and then he laughed at me. He's like, do I have Teflon?
Do I have Teflon?
I was like, I don't know. You said it like you wanted me to get it. I brought it here for you to fix.
Sometimes I'm talking to myself, Caleb.
Spend all these lonely days in this shop.
Long winter nights.
That is nice.
Perfect.
So that is the ending product right there. That's gonna be way more secure. That's not gonna cause us any. And
don't say that.
Okay, I'm gonna edit that part out. I should just bleep that out. Nobody's gonna know what we said.
In a month you're gonna be like, fucking Derek, god damn it.
that's it. We installed it. Derek did a great job. You guys should check him out. I will drop his Instagram below and check out all his fabrication work. He seriously does a really good job.
Website too.
Oh, website?
Yeah.
New website? Well, I know you've had a website,
Yeah.
but you're pushing it more?
Yeah.
Website. I will be listing the website. You're welcome. The cool thing about this year is that I will be going to a lot of racing events. Derek will be at a bunch with his Miata. We will be in the same class. He will be kicking my ass because he's way better than me. He's got way more seat time than me. And the Miata is an absolute savage. So check out his stuff. Tell him I sent you, and we will see you guys in the next video.
I was gonna do the slip angle. Like,
Oh yeah, go ahead. Just
no,
like,
no, I don't need
You can
to.
slap it. Boom.